Hello guys, so I thought of showing you how to file career returns for employed personnel. So the first step is search the career site, enter the PIN of where you're going to file for. Sort of being enter the password of the person. And then there's a security stamp of which is a mathematic that's a math sum. So you just add 95 plus 16, that's up to 11, that's 111, and then you log in. So on filing returns for people who are employed, you just go on the return section. So you file ITR for employment income only. So we are in 2023, whereby while we are in 2023, we file returns for the previous year, that is 2022 to January 2022 to December 2022 for the year that we have finished previously. So that is 2022. So we are in year 2023. So we just file from year that is 0101 2022. And then we right click on the lower box. That way it automatically captures the whole year, that is 0101 2022 to that 1/12 2022. And then, do you have any employment income? We just tap yes, and then next. So on section A, do you have provided? Just fill this no, it doesn't, or of it no, and then we got the next tab, that is section F. So section F, we have this is whereby we have the gross pay, a gross pay of total of 151,103.70. And then section M, we have a taxable salary. So taxable salary is a salary minus deductions, all the deductions that have been deducted. So it is almost, that is 148,993.7. So that is 91,200 plus 57,793. On section Q, we don't fill anything. Section T, so we have a pension. Pension is just simply a calculation of gross pay minus total taxable salary. So that is 151,193.70 minus the total taxable salary, or of it. So his gross pay is 2,200. So that's the figure that we calculated, that is pension is equals to gross pay minus total taxable salary. We fill it. So, and then we have the tab where we have our personal relief. Every citizen pays a relief of 1,408 monthly. So per year, that is 12 months, that is 1408 times 12. So is entitled to pay a personal relief per year of 16,896 year. So on right clicking, it automatically brings out a negative figure. So on tax due, it has to be a 0 or a negative number. So it means that we are just right, we are in the right track. So we just submit it. So it says an error, it has brought a pre-select bank name. So bank name, we just, the simple payment bank name is just M-Pesa. We press that is M-Payment. M-Payment is M-Pesa. That is M-Pesa. We add up the city, that is say Nairobi. Sorry for that, Nairobi. Account name, we just key in his number, and account name, we just key his names, and then account number we key in his number. So guys, I will meet showing you that. We have next tab. So we just go to section T, whereby we submit after filling in. Are you sure to submit? Okay. So it is that very simple. So return successfully submitted with acknowledgement this. So we download our file return receipt. And this is how simply that this is an acknowledgement that we have filed our return successfully.